Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with University of Florida, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with the University of Florida, start by visiting their official website. Navigate to the home page, where you'll find important information about the university. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to locate contact information. Look for the Contact Us section to find phone numbers and email addresses for various departments. Decide which department you need to contact based on your interests, such as admissions, academic advising, or financial aid. For prospective students, access the admissions page for guidelines and contact details. If you're already a student, refer to the Student Services section for support resources. Consider reaching out via email for specific inquiries. Compose a clear and concise email stating your questions or concerns. Include your contact information, such as your phone number and preferred response method. If you prefer a more personal approach, call the department directly using the provided phone number. Be sure to call during business hours to ensure someone is available to assist you. If you have specific questions about campus life, try connecting through social media platforms. Follow the university's official accounts on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram for updates and engagement opportunities. Join student groups or organizations on these platforms to connect with current students. For a more formal connection, consider attending university events or open houses. Check the events calendar on the university website for upcoming dates. Participate in virtual events if you're unable to visit the campus in person. Engage with faculty members or staff during these events to build relationships. Lastly, explore networking opportunities through alumni associations for broader connections within your field of interest. This guide will help you establish a strong connection with the University of Florida. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.